Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Fill in the blanks. The area of triangle ABC whose vertices are A minus 5 comma 2, B minus 2 comma minus 6 and C 3 comma minus 1 is dash square units. So let's see. We are given, we know that area of a triangle can be calculated by using following formula: half into x1 multiplied by y2 minus y3 plus x2 multiplied by y3 minus y1 plus x3 multiplied by y1 minus y2, using this formula where coordinates of vertices are a x1 y1, b x2 y2 and c x3 y3. Coordinates of vertices. So we simply have to put the values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 in above formula. So we have area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to half multiplied by, let me put it over here, yes, half multiplied by, let's see, x1 is minus 5, y2 is minus 6, y3 is minus 1, minus of minus 1, so that gives us minus of minus 1 is plus 1, so minus y3 is plus 1 plus x2 is minus 2, y3 is minus 1 minus y1 is minus 2 and plus x3 is 3, y1 is 2, y2 is minus 6, so 2 minus 6 is minus of minus 6 is plus 6, so 2 plus 6. Let's see. So we have half multiplied by, let's simplify this, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 and minus 5 is plus 25, so this is 25. Now this minus 2, this is minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6 and 3 multiplied by 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6 is 8 3s are 24. So let's see, half multiplied by 25 plus 24 is 49, 49 plus 6 is 55. So we have half multiplied by 55, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, decimal point 5. So we have 27.5 square units. This is area of triangle ABC. So this is the answer, 27.5 square units.